Today, I'll show you how to do your Wirex crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about Wirex and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about them, then I'll jump into the integration, and then lastly I'll show you where to get the necessary tax documentation. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, there's going to be a bunch of different resources left down below. So Wirex was founded in 2014 and they're based out of London, England. Wirex, according to their mission statement, is a digital payment platform that aims to make crypto and traditional currencies equal and accessible to everyone. They currently manage more than 100 tokens, including BTC, Ethereum, XRT, and a huge range of ERC20 tokens. Alrighty, so that's enough about them. Let's talk about the integration. First step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, don't panic. You can create one completely free and follow along until the very end. Go into your wallet section and then click on Add Wallet. Then we're going to type in a Wirex, if I could spell it correctly, which I can. And here we're going to click Wirex app and import from file. Alrighty, from here we're going to go onto their website, onto their app, log in obviously to your account, and then we're going to find a currency that you're working with. This is going to be an example of mine. So I'm going to find BTC on this homepage. Okay, so there's BTC. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to wait for the menu to pop up here, and then we're going to click on statements. So from here, we're looking for a CSV file. You can select up to 1 year. If you've had this platform for multiple years, make sure to get all your transaction history, so that will require multiple CSV files. So just for this demo example, I'll go with January 1st of this year to today's date and click on apply, and then we're going to click export. Once we have that file, simply drag and drop it into Koinly, click import, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. So that's one CSV file for one type of currency that I'm working with. Make sure to do this with all of the cryptos that you're dealing with. And like I said earlier, make sure to get your entire transaction history. From here on out, really straightforward stuff. Go into your transactions area, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you, making sure all your staking is tagged correctly. So send to pool, send from pool, stuff like that. And then once you're happy with everything there, go into your tax reports area. So here you can see everything from your capital gains to your other income to your costs and expenses. Once you're happy with everything there, scroll on down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax reports. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to your accountant, and they will combine it with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, what I tell everyone is check your country's rules and regulations, because this tax report might be deductible. But that'll do it for today's video. If you need further assistance, a bunch of different resources down below, starting off with the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a forum section where we talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And then lastly, we have a contact section. If you'd like to send us a message directly, we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.